Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Reading Arabic with Muna. Today's lesson is about the letter Sheen. Sheen. The letter Sheen is the 13th letter of the Arabic alphabet. The name of the letter is Sheen and the sound of the letter is sh. The Arabic Sheen corresponds to the English sh sound in English. In English, we have sh, a combination between two letters, but in Arabic, we only have one letter that produces the sound sh. Also, the letter sheen in Arabic corresponds to all sh sounds in English or any other foreign languages. For example, the suffixes or the spelling pronunciation in many words in English. For example, station, passion, social. These are words that can be found in Arabic in brand names or in shop names or in sometimes in menu items. For example, the word passion for passion fruit. If you find the word in Arabic, it will usually be written in Arabic letters using the same English sound. So these letters are all replaced with the letter Sheen in Arabic. Also, the word social in Arabic, we use a lot the word social media. Sometimes we don't write the Arabic translation of the word social media. We just immediately use the English word, but we write it in Arabic letters. So we will use this sheen to represent this sh sound in the word social. So let's get back to the original Arabic letter sheen. The neutral sound is sh. And if we apply harakat with fatha, sha, with dhamma, shu, and with kasra, shi. Now, before we move to a small hint that helps us to remember the letter, there's another role for the sheen in Arabic. Now, here in English, we have the ch sound. We have the sh sound, that is the combination between the S and H. In English, we have ch sound, ch. Now, in Arabic, we do not have this sound. We don't have the ch sound in Arabic. So the letter sheen replaces the ch sound when we write English words that has the ch sound and we want to write it in Arabic, like for example the English name Charlie, and any word that starts with the ch and we want to write it as it is in Arabic, we replace the ch with the sh sound. So the sheen in Arabic replaces the ch sound. Sometimes when we want to be precise, we add ta to the sha to give the exact sound ch. And sometimes we just simply write the English name in Arabic with sh sound. I will give you more examples to understand. For example, here we have the word, here we have chocolate. In Arabic, if we want to write chocolate, let's say it's the name of a restaurant or a recipe or an item, we write chocolate sometimes with sheen and sometimes we write ta and sheen to represent the ch sound. And the word cheese, sometimes in Arabic it's written with sha and sometimes it's written with ta and sha. Also, the word chicken. If you look at a menu, and if many restaurants, they just simply write chicken burger. They don't write it dajaj in Arabic. Dajaj is chicken, but some of the restaurants they just simply write the English word. So in some menus you will find chicken, not chicken, chicken, and in some menus you will find chicken. They write the precise sound, so they put ta before the sha. Also, the word chips. For some reason, all the time I found the word chips in Arabic written with sh sound. Also, cherry. When we have some brand names, we find the word cherry not written with the ta and sheen. No, it's just sheen. So if you read it in Arabic, it sounds like sherry, not cherry. Also, the word check. The word check in English is with the ch sound, but in Arabic it is always written with sh. So sometimes the ch is replaced with the sh sound in Arabic. Sometimes, if we want to give the precise name, we precede it with the ta. So to give it just the precise sound. Now, a small hint to remember the letter Sheen. Now, with the letter Sheen, I want to think of something different, not just the shape. I want to link it to something special. Now, we said that the letter Sheen is special because it corresponds to the sh sound in English and the ch sound. The sh sound, think of sugar. And the ch sound, we have many things, like, for example, chocolate cake, cheesecake, cherry pie, all of the sweet things related to the letter Sheen. And here we have 3 sugar cubes that look similar to the 3 dots of the Sheen. So just think of the Sheen in this way. When you see these 3 dots, just think of all the sweet things that comes to your mind, whether it starts with sh, it has the sh sound like sugar or sugary things, or it starts with the cha, like in the examples that I just said. Okay, I hope this is helpful, that when you look at this letter, you always relate it, or you always remember the 3 happy sugar cubes. Now, in the previous lesson, we learned about the letter Seen, and we connected the letter to the snake that looks somehow similar. We focused on the shape, okay? But now with the Sheen, now as you can just notice that they rhyme, seen and sheen. Here we focused on the shape, but here we just focus on the relation, or the things that we related the letter with. That is the 3 sugar cubes. So now let's get rid of the visual cues and try to remember the letters abstract. Okay, here we have seen, and we also here have the curvy shape, but this time we put some sugar cubes and it became sheen, seen, sheen. Okay, and that was all for today's lesson about the letter Sheen. See you next time, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.